Hi, welcome to Backyard Growing SA. In today's video is a sow to germinate, and the seed of today is fennel. Let's get to it. So I'm plant some seeds in the coco-peat and some on the paper towel. Okay, so you just want to bury it half a centimeter to a centimeter deep. And then I'm going to water the ones in the paper towel. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Day 3, nothing yet germinated in the coco-peat for the fennel. Let's check the paper towel. Okay, so as you can see, nothing has germinated in the paper towel just yet. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Day 5, let's check the coco-peat. Nothing yet sprouted or germinated over here in the coco-peat, so let's check the paper towel. Okay, so nothing yet germinated over the fennel yet, so I'll check back with you guys tomorrow. Day 9, so on day 9 the fennel finally is starting to sprout. There's 1, 2 over there. Let's check the paper towel. Okay, so I see over here in the paper towel there's about 2 that busy sprouting, 1 over there and the 1 over here. Let's check the other 2 here. Nothing yet, so I'll check back with you guys in the future. Okay, so it took 15 days for the fennel to germinate properly, but however I lost that footage. I don't know what happened, I can't find it. And the thing is, it rained so much that the paper towel got damaged, and I don't even know where that is also. So anyways, it took 15 days for the fennel to germinate. Yeah, so I lost the paper towel as well where it was growing in, so I'm not sure where that is. And then this is the last 2 fennel I got left. So on that note, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, can I at least get 50 likes? If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing and comment down below what seeds you'd like to see next. Don't forget to share the video. And to support the channel, you can check down below both super thanks and becoming a member. Thank you for watching. Backyard out.